Hi guys, good evening. Muna akong basta menstruation ba, mag-share lang ko no. Kaya siya muna akong pang menstruation no. Muna na siya. Makahulog ko kung kapag use panty liner. Muna siya no, muna akong gamit with wings. Kaya taas man siya, ganahan ko siya. Yeah, dugon ko, if I have menstruation, I go shower 2 times a day. Yeah, don't go and follow what the pamahiin. Magpanty ko, if I gonna go menstruation, I wear black. Everything black. Yeah, I have menstruation panty for if I got menstruation and then like blah blah blah. But if I'm going use for work, different. I have a lot panty, but if I got menstruation, I use black. Then if I gonna go one, like it's cheaper, but it's okay. Then every 6 months, I change panty and then I throw it. Inaniunan na siya pagbutang no, inaniunan na siya, ana na siya. I don't use panty liner, okay? Kaya kuwan man siya I don't use panty liner. I change every, if I work 24 hours, kuwan na siya if I work 24 hours, I just like, change my panty, I bring panty. And then I change it. Na siya, yeah. I don't use the heavy one, like, skinny. No. I don't use that. Now na siya pagbutang, guys. Siya, na ikaob na nimo kanina siya, no? Yaman na siya. Ganahan ko siya, kay taas siya, kuan siya ba, until this, kay if you lay down, if like that, and then if you lay down, like, until here in the back, so, dili siya magkuhan sa bed. Siya. Yeah, makahurot ko na siya every, if I gonna go pee, like sometimes, like if I go every 3 hours, I go change it. Muna na siya, no? Muna siya always. Muna siya always with wings. I don't use tampon kay. Kuha siya ang tampon ka ng, I don't know, lainan ko ba, naalad magugo nga. Kuha na siya 10 bucks for wings. Wala siya, no? Ganahan ko yung kay kuhan. Mag-inom kong daghang tubig. And then, if I drink a lot of water, I drink a lot of water and then I gonna go, what call this? I drink a lot of water and then di man dehydrate ba. Then, every month I got menstruation. Ano na siya, no? Kuhan ko every month I got menstruation and bako malayagi niya. Kuhan na siya ipaambak man ko sa una sa before ko nag-menstruation ba, ipaambak ko nanay og tulok ang mga siya no, pa-jump